Yo, what's going on guys? My name is Rutelan. Today we have officially made the annual higher high. Look at this. I'm gonna get rid of these my drawings for now, but you can see that this year we have made the the highest high. And it's amazing when you know that first time you bought Bitcoin was down at 15k. The first time I ever owned a fraction of Bitcoin was back in March 2022. Remember this 45,000 zone. After that I just sold my Bitcoin, forgot about it, and just bought more when it was 15k because I knew it was an amazing opportunity. But anyways, today we have made the highest high this year. People are freaking out. People say, oh, 500 came and now we're going to 60k all-time high. And in eyes of a technical analyst, you can see that we have taken liquidity from all these highs with this candle only. We took everybody's stop limits from these highs, and so when you hit your stop loss, then you automatically have to buy. So when you buy, a lot of whales have to sell for someone. So when people are just even FOMOing, the whales have to sell for some people for them to get in a bigger short positions. So be like a whale, move like a whale, because whales make money and average people don't usually make. So we had a nice pump. On the 1 hour chart we did not see a bearish divergence on the momentum waves, but on the money flow we did actually. On the 4 hour, it's pretty obvious bearish divergence. We didn't even see any wave forming, but I think if we will form a wave, it will be super small, like this one. So it's a bearish divergence, just pretty simple. I was ready for this, and if it would have even gone even higher, I would have got in a short position at 31,800 euros. It's a yearly support resistance flip level. In micro analysis, we see a descending triangle forming in, which is bearish, and the target of this triangle is right around these highs as well as this low. So I put my target here, and we are already smashing through this level while I'm making this video. I took already some profits at these highs, at this level, right at the neckline of this descending triangle. I don't know, it was small profit, was only like $6, yeah. Couple losses, yeah. I know this is only like paper trading, so not big deal at all. Well, my targets, yeah, I had this. Remember, I was talking about this box that we have to hold this if we want to actually see this downtrend, because then officially we would have made a lower high and a lower low, which is bearish trend. We did break that trend. We created a higher low, and now we created a higher high, which is bullish trend. But because everything has been super bullish, and we just don't consolidate at this top for a long time, we will have to see some correction. And on the daily chart we also see a bearish divergence forming. So it's good to be in a short position from these highs. It's actually pretty good. So my actual target of my position is somewhere at these highs. If we take a look at Fibonacci golden pocket, we can see that these highs, this level is pretty important. If we draw a volume profile, you can see that POC level is at these highs as well. If we manage to break this level, 29.3, 29.5, which is super important support level. If we break that, then we will break value area high, and usually when we break a value area high or a value area low, depends from which direction we're coming from, the up or from the downside, we usually tend to fill all the way to that opposite direction, so to the 786 and value area low, as well as some support resistance level. 26.1 is pretty nice support level. So my target is approximately like, I would say this is where I will take in most of my profits if we ever come down there. Will be pretty juicy trade, like $199. Yeah, pretty nice trade. Could be, I don't know if it would be, but taking a look at everything right here happened the same thing. We might maybe we might consolidate and put another leg up to like 33,000, but at some point we will have to reject, because we're still in bear market, but not officially like in bear market. We are like in the middle, we're between the bull and bear market, and that between doesn't mean that we only pump. We have to see some corrections down the way, so we might put another leg up to have another short limit order, but if we don't, I will be more than happy because I shorted from the top. That's what I love to do. I don't like to see that some descending triangle is forming in, and if we break this level, go short, and then you'll see what happens. Sometimes Bitcoin loves to just fake out and move. So that's why I want to get on the top. Doesn't really matter if Bitcoin fakes out, I'm still in profits. But if I only get at the breakout, at the neckline or whatever, I might still be in a loss. So I love the idea of longing at the bottom, shorting at the top, because it's like almost like a guaranteed money win. You know what is guaranteed money win? If you put limit orders down the way. If guaranteed profits is when you would put buy limit at here, take some profits at this level, take some profits at this level. Nice order block here, daily order block as well. Well, not order block, but just resistance. And some more here, and some more even here, 4 profit taking levels. That will guarantee you that you will stay profitable. Here you could close like 25% of position, 25, now like 15, 25, and maybe full position here, as we're still going for that bullish trend. And yeah, well, one thing that could happen is, in my eyes, this. Right, we put in a leg up, we consolidated, put a higher low, another leg up, then Bitcoin shocked everybody. It put a lower low on the daily time frame, but on the weekly and the higher time frames, it's still putting a higher high. So what I think could actually shock everybody is, well, I don't know, this is so improbable to happen, is that we break all this support, all this juice right here, break even 25k. That will be absolutely like crazy, and come back and fill that CME gap at 20k. We will be still putting in a higher low, but on smaller time frames will be a lower low, which would actually even probably if we would do something like this, boom, and put in a higher low, it will be super bullish. Bullish divergence, go into long, go all in. That's what I would love. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you learned something new today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.